Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss conditional probability. What is conditional probability? It means that probability of an event given that another event has already occurred, and it is written as P of A given B. See what this vertical line is read as given P of A given B. The formula for that is P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. You can observe here that when we condition on something, the sample space changes. Let's see this with some example. What is the probability of getting a heart? Now see, we know that in a deck of 52 cards, there are 4 suits: spades, clubs, diamonds and hearts. These two, spades and clubs, are black, diamonds and hearts are red, each containing 13 cards. Now, what is the probability of getting heart? So, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So, how many hearts are there? 13, and total number of outcomes 52. That is 1 by 4. But now see, if I already tell you the card drawn is red card, then what is the probability of getting a heart? Merely observing also we can solve that. As I already know that card is a red card, there are 26 red cards, and how many hearts are there? 13. So I can directly write this as 13 divided by 26, that is 1 by 2. But if I want to go by definition of conditional probability, see, there are two events happening. Card is a heart and card is red. So I will denote these two events by A and B. So card is heart. How many hearts are there? So A is card is heart. So there are 13 hearts. B is card is red. So how many red cards are there? 26. And A intersection B means there are 13 red and heart cards. Now, if I want to go by the definition of conditional probability, so P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B. So, A intersection B contains 13 cards. So, it is 13, total number of outcomes 52, divided by P of B. So, B means red cards. How many red cards are there? 26. So, divided by 52. So, 52 gets cancelled, 26, that is 1 by 2. So, now what we have learned today, conditional probability. When we condition on something, the sample space changes to that condition. See here, A given B means what? I am just looking in this B. So, total number of outcomes, now I am looking total number of outcomes in B only. And the favorable outcomes which are inside B, that's why A intersection B divided by P of B. So this was conditional probability. In the next video, we will look into some examples related to these concepts.